Hey, so in this video, we're going to talk about the Helium 10 Chrome extension price and pricing. And I'm also going to share the best deal for the Chrome extension with you, which you can access through the link in the description. The link will get you to this landing page where you have the best discounts and coupon codes for the Helium 10 and the extension as well. So save big, check out that page. You also get a free account, free trial of Helium 10 with that link too. And you have a link to download the extension for free in the description. The Helium 10 Chrome extension, you can use it for free, but it's quite limited. In order to start getting more out of this extension, I'm going to show you how you can invest in the extension, save big, and what are the different options to invest in the extension. Now, another thing I want to mention that in the description, you're going to find a playlist of Helium 10 tutorials with over 230 videos and over 3,600 views of the playlist. So you can make the most out of Helium 10 by kind of using those videos. There's also a video for the extension that shows you how to use it from A to Z, or you can use my channel. Great to meet you, Vava Evan, Amazon seller since 2016. Go to my channel, and then just click on this kind of magnifying glass, type in Helium 10 Chrome extension, and you're going to find videos that are connected to the extension. So there are small tutorials, bigger tutorials. There's a lot of stuff connected to the extension. So enjoy, and I hope it helps you. So now let's get to the price and the pricing and how you can get it with the best kind of price. Let's start with the first option. Again, you can get it for free. Check out the link in the description, download the extension for free. You'll be able to use it, but it's really basic. And honestly, to make better kind of product research, you have to invest in it. But even for free, you can use it and just try it out, see how it works. So what are the options? The first option is the starter plan, okay? Starter plan of Helium 10. It's the $39 per month plan of Helium 10, the basic plan. I have a video also that shows you and tells you, is starter worth it? I'm going to link it in the description for you where I dive deep into that plan. But it's $39 a month. If you use the code VOVA10, which is my coupon code, again, can be accessed through that link in the description where you have the discounts, VOVA10, VOVA6, and 20, 10% off for starter, platinum, or diamond. So it saves you 10% off forever, as long as you're a Helium 10 member. 10% off every month, every month, every month. And bear in mind, we've been using Helium 10 since 2017 or so in our business. So, with the discount that saves you 10% off every month, long term, you're going to save a lot of money. So the Xray, as you can see here, is the Chrome extension. That's one of the parts of the extension Xray, but I think with the time, it's just in the seller community, Xray is just the name that has kind of gotten connected to the extension. So powerful product data available through your browser, and it's available here with the starter. So you can get it as low as $36 per month, and you can start using it with the starter plan. Also with the starter plan, you're going to get the Freedom Ticket course. So it's going to show you how to use the extension and generally how to sell on Amazon. It's about 20-hour course that shows you how to sell on Amazon from A to Z. So I would recommend you, if you're someone that's like, man, I'm just looking at this first time and I'm not sure what's going on. So check out the Freedom Ticket course, invest in the starter, and go through the course. Freedom Ticket is going to be inside your Helium 10 kind of tools. I believe it's here in the learning. You have Freedom Ticket, award-winning training series. Check it out and go through it, because then you'll understand how to use all those tools. But it's part of the starter plan together with the Xray. And yeah, this way you can start using the extension. Now, you can also get the extension with the Platinum and Diamond plans. Okay, so those are the more advanced plans of Helium 10. Myself, I'm on the Diamond plan, but you don't need to get it straight away. You can start either from Starter or Platinum. But for the Chrome extension, price and pricing, again, at $36, you can get access to the extension with the starter. The only drawback of the starter is inside the extension, you have Xray keywords. Okay, what's Xray keywords? Basically, it's a thing inside the extension that's connected to another tool of Helium 10 called Cerebro. Cerebro is a tool that kind of shows you the best keywords that a specific kind of product is ranking for. So through the Xray keywords, you'll be able to see similar keywords to what you're searching. Let's say you're searching for desk lamp on Amazon.com. You're searching for desk lamp, and Xray keywords is going to show you similar keywords to desk lamp that are bringing in sales. So for example, maybe desk lamp small or desk lamp big or bright desk lamp. Okay, the drawback, I think that's the right word, drawback or the minus of starter, is only 5 uses. I don't know if it's per day or per month of the keyword Xray keywords. So that's the only minus. You can still see all the sales data and all the kind of other stuff. Mostly it's kind of working, but not with the Xray keyword. So that's the minus of the starter. It's a nice plan. I think starter is worth it mainly also because you get the Freedom Ticket course. That's, I think, even the bigger advantage of this plan in VS like $0 plan with the free plan. But of course, the optimum for beginners is Platinum because you get everything with the Xray. You get the Xray keywords, you get the Cerebro for keyword research and whatnot. So that's another option. If you want to get maximum out of the extension, it's either Platinum or Diamond. Starter, you get the extension minus that keywords part, which is kind of good and crucial for, I would say, for understanding the keywords that a product is kind of on and they are bringing sales. So you're going to see that at 5 uses. I'm not sure if it's per day or per month, honestly, but yeah, Starter is fine. But Platinum is the optimum. If you scroll down, by the way, we're inside a free account here. And if you click on upgrade or if you click on plans and billing, you're going to get to that page. Okay. And you can apply the discount here. By the way, there's another discount, WOVA 6M20, but that one saves you 20% off for 6 months, and it doesn't work with a starter plan. Okay, deliberately I showed you the one that is forever, and it works with all of them. You can use WOVA 6M20 to basically 20% off for 6 months. After that, you're going to pay the full price. So it's a nice code. You save more initially, but then you go back to normal price. That's why I really recommend the WOVA 10, because just long term, you're going to save more money. Another option, instead of using, let's say, Starter, Platinum, or Diamond for the Chrome extension, you can scroll down in this page. Once you're going to have the free account, free trial, again, the discounts and the coupons and free account, free trial link is in the description. It's going to be the first link there. If you scroll down, once you have the free account in the kind of, again, in the plans and billing, you will find the a la carte option. A la carte means you can buy specific parts of Helium 10 and only those parts. So that's interesting because you can get the Xray for only $90 a month, 19, sorry, instead of 99. Ooh, yeah, that's a good price. So you can only use the extension if that's all you need for $19 only. So you click on plus here. It's going to be like a little tick there. You click on subscribe and boom, you just pay here and you're going to get it for $90 only. Very nice. But again, if I understand correctly, it gives you the equivalent of the Helium 10 extension on the starter plan without the extra kind of keyword uses. So as low as $19, you can get only the extension. Pretty nice. Use the link in the description to get the discounts and free account, free trial. Honestly, optimally, if you're looking to start an Amazon business and grow it and find a good product, use Platinum. I'll explain why. First, of course, you have the Freedom Ticket course to understand how everything works, how Amazon FBA works, and that's kind of the basics, right? Then you have the Xray, which you can then use together, which is the Chrome extension. You can use it together with Blackbox, which is product research tool. And again, all my kind of tutorials, or if you use my channel to search for those tools, you're going to find tutorials that are detailed that will show you how to use those tools. And if they're useful, please like the video. Or if this video is useful, if it's not useful, just dislike and tell me it's not useful, man, and why, and I'll explain, and I'll actually improve, hopefully, my next video for you. Platinum is the optimum plan. Diamond, we're on that plan, but you don't need that in the beginning, maybe, unless you need access to more data and a bit more tools. But even with the Platinum for product research, keyword research, listening optimization, product validation, it's going to be the optimum kind of package. You have the black box for product research, Xray, and you have the Cerebro, which is basically tool for keyword research, and keyword research is kind of connected to product research because people are searching for keywords on Amazon. So if we find good keywords, we can actually find good products. It's just Cerebro and Black Box for product research are different ways to do product research. And by going through the Helium 10 Freedom Ticket course, you'll see how to use those tools together combined. But again, if you only need the Chrome extension at a price of $19, maybe you only need that because that's what your work is. Maybe you're a virtual assistant, or maybe you're a seller that's just needing it for a specific thing, you can get it for as low as $19. That's pretty nice. You can use the link in the description to support my content and to buy through me. Or if you're not going to do that, it's also totally fine. But I would appreciate if you do that so I can keep my content free for you forever, no paywalls. Subscribe at 19. You can, of course, pair it with another thing. You can buy the Cerebro together with the Xray. So then you have also the tool that helps you with the keyword research. And if you add the black box as a tool for product research, it's going to be 97. But then it's better buy the Platinum at 90 and get everything together. So you see how it works. Of course, again, if you only need the extension, $19, you can get it as low as 19. If you need the extension and the course, Freedom Ticket course, it's going to be 36 with the VOVA 10 discount. And if you need the whole package, go with Platinum or Diamond. In my opinion, that's the best choice. Of course, if you want to pay yearly as well, you click here. Okay, you're going to pay yearly. What does it mean? So instead of paying like, what was the normal price? 39 for starter per month, 39 x 12. It's going to be, well, let's do 40 x 12. It's going to be 480 per year. But if you do the discount code and you click on the annual, it's going to be 26 per month. So 26 per x12, it's going to be about $300 something instead of 480. So you save a lot of money, but you have to pay once per year a bigger price, but you save a lot more money. Up to you to save more. And if you know you're going to commit to using it for a whole year, or you just want to save big up front, use the yearly. Yeah, for sure. On all of them. Yeah. So yeah, get the Chrome extension again. It's going to be linked in the description for you. How to use the Chrome extension. Just use my channel, search for Helium 10 Chrome extension on the channel. So click on the channel. You're going to see the magnifying glass here, Helium 10 Chrome extension. You have a lot of tutorials. Okay. So I'm going to link in the description for your convenience. The best tutorial I have for you that shows you how to use it from A to Z. And yeah, all the best discounts are in the description. Also the pricing page, if you want to see like outside of logging into Helium 10 before you have logged in, you have the pricing page to see kind of different packages, pricing. You have the code here. You can apply it, VOVA 10, I appreciate that as well. So Helium 10 price and pricing for the extension starts as low as $19 with the Carte. If you pay yearly, you can pay $190. So instead of paying, again, it kind of saves you 2 months here, as you can see, because 19x12 is going to be, let's do 20x12 is 240. When 19 is a bit confusing, unless you're a math genius or just someone who can do normal math. It's funny. So yeah, you save 2 months, 190, pretty good deal. But again, in order to get the most out of Helium 10 combined Platinum, I would go with that package. Best discounts in the description. Check it out. Helium 10 Chrome extension pricing. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, great life, good sales, and don't stop. Keep going. We're going to make it. I believe so, truly.